Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to show you guys how to connect your Sony headphones into your PS4. Now, if you try to do this manually by going to your PS4 settings and then to the Bluetooth and try to add these headphones, it's not going to work because the PS4 does not support any type of Bluetooth headphones unless if the headphones are PS4 headphones itself. So today I do have the Sony headphones, which ironically does not connect to the Sony PS4, but today I'm going to show you guys how to connect them very easily. Okay, so the first thing you're going to need is a Bluetooth adapter here. This is for the PS4, and this adapter costs around $10 or so, and I'm going to include the title of this adapter on the description down below. This is how the adapter comes here. Let me start by taking out the adapter and showing you guys how to connect it to your PS4 and your Bluetooth headphones. We do have a manual here, but I'm going to show you guys how to connect it on this video. Now from here you want to turn on the PlayStation 4 and make sure the PlayStation 4 is turned on. Okay, then you want to get the headphone adapter and you want to connect it to the bottom of the controller. Now get the USB and connect it to the PS4. Once it's connected, the light should be blinking slowly blue. Then there is a top button on the USB. You want to press it here for a couple seconds. 1, 2, 3. For around 2 to 3 seconds, and as you can see, the blue light is flashing faster than usual. Then on your headphones, you want to make sure that the headphones are 100% off. Then you want to press on the power button here for around 7 to 8 seconds. This will turn on the headphones and it will put it on the Bluetooth pairing mode. So let's start right now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for around 7 to 8 seconds, and both of these lights should be connecting right about now. Just give it a couple seconds. The light on the USB dongle should stop like right now. So the light has stopped and the headphones is connected right now. As you can see, the light has stopped blinking, so the headphones are connected. So from here you want to put the headphones on. And as soon as you put the headphones on, you could hear the background music from the PlayStation home screen. So you want to get the controller with the aux adapter connected, and you want to go to your PS4 settings. So on your PS4 settings, you want to go all the way up. You want to go to the right side where it says settings. Then you want to scroll all the way down where it says devices. Now instead of clicking on Bluetooth devices, you want to choose audio devices. Now you want to go all the way to the top where it says input device, and from here you want to make sure it's selected onto headset connected to controller. Select it. Then you want to go to output device, and you want to make sure it's connected to USB headphones with USB audio device. Make sure it's selected, so you want to press X. Then you want to go down where it says adjust microphone level, and from here I could hear my voice through the headphones, meaning that the microphone on the headphones are working. You could change the volume of the voice to low, so I could barely hear my voice inside the headphones, or I could leave it at good to keep it at an average level, or if I put it to high, I could hear my voice even louder. So you want to leave it at an average good level, which is right around here. Then you want to click on X. Now this is just to adjust the volume of the sound. Now keep in mind the volume touch on the side of the headphones work with the PS4. So if you want to put it high, you can, or if you want to put it low, you could by touching it downwards or upwards. As you can hear the beeping sound of the headphones when I put it low or when I put it high. So this function still works. Now if you go down to output to headphones, want to make sure it's on all audio, meaning that you could hear the sound and you could chat with the microphone of the headphones. And then for this, you want to leave it on switched on automatically, or you could turn it off. It's up to you. So if you go all the way back, you can hear the music playing on the background of the PS4, and you pretty much are good to go from here. You go to YouTube, watch some videos, you can go watch some movies or play a game, and you can use these headphones wirelessly with no problem. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.